students, stability order of carbocations order. We know already we discussed it in previous video, stability order of carbocation. Now first priority goes to that is resonance effect, that is mesomeric effect, resonance effect or mesomeric effect. Mesomeric effect is greater than that of hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation is greater than that of inductive effect. If in case compound having resonance is there, hyperconjugation is there, inductive effect is there. So that first priority goes to resonance. Then after that hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation is more stable than inductive effect compound. These are the main important orders. So now resonating stability of carbocation order, that is first one, that is triphenyl carbocation. You remember student that I will give simple shortcut. Triphenyl carbocation. Triphenyl carbocation is more stable than biphenyl carbocation. Biphenyl carbocation is more stable than that is tertiary, that is butyl carbocation. Trimethyl butyl carbocation, tertiary carbocation, that is trimethyl carbocation, that means tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation is more stable than that is phenyl carbocation. Phenyl carbocation. This phenyl carbocation is more stable than allylic carbocation, CH2 double bond, then CH, then single bond, CH2 plus allylic carbocation. This is allylic carbocation, that is CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH2 plus, that is allylic carbocation. Allylic carbocation is greater than that of secondary carbocation. This is secondary carbocation is greater than primary carbocation, CH3 CH2 plus. Primary carbocation is greater than that of methyl carbocation. This is the stability order of carbocation in organic compounds. So first one is triphenyl carbocation. This triphenyl carbocation, this is aromatic compound. Aromatic compounds are more stable than allylic compounds. Allylic compound is more stable than aliphatic compounds, that is tertiary carbocation, tertiary butyl carbocation, and secondary carbocation, primary carbocation, and methyl carbocation. You remember student, this is the very important stability order of carbocation order student, that is resonating is more stable. Resonating compounds are more stable than hyperconjugate compound. Hyperconjugation is more stable than inductive effect. You follow this order student, that is triphenyl carbocation is greater than that of biphenyl carbocation. Biphenyl carbocation is greater than that of tertiary butyl carbocation. This is a tertiary butyl carbocation, that is tertiary butyl carbocation. Tertiary butyl carbocation is greater than that of phenyl carbocation. Phenyl carbocation is greater than that of, that is allylic carbocation. This is allylic carbocation. This is allylic carbocation is greater than that of this is secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation is greater than that of primary carbocation. Primary carbocation is greater than that of methyl carbocation. This is the important stability order of carbocation. It is very most important for NEET and other competitive exams also. If you, this is the very most important student. Now take the example student, that is stability order of carbocation order, that is now take the example, that is CH2 double bond, then CH single bond, CH2 plus. This is A compound. Now take the B compound is CH3 CH2 then CH2 plus. Sorry, CH2 then CH2 then CH2 plus. This is CH3. CH3 CH2 then CH2 plus. This is allyl carbocation. So out of these two, which one is more stable student? What is the concept student? What I said student, that is stability of carbocation. So how to find out that stability of carbocation student? Our concept, I gave simple trick student, that is positive charge. Positive charge should be less. Positive, I gave simple trick, positive charge should be less. Positive charge should be less on carbon. Positive charge should be less on carbon, that is more stable. That is more stable. I gave simple trick. Positive charge should be less on carbon, that compound is always more stable. So same thing here also, one, this allylic carbocation, CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH2 plus. Here also 3 carbon, here also 3 carbon. So here in this compound having, that is plus m, resonating structure is possible. In this A compound having resonating structure and B compound having plus I group, plus I and hyperconjugation. So what I said, student, that is priority goes to, first priority goes to resonating structure, plus M or resonating. Why? Because of this double bond, then single bond positive charge is there. This positive charge participating in the resonance. You remember, student, this positive charge participating in the resonance. So that's why this positive charge is completely disappear. But in this B compound here, this ethyl group is there, this positive charge beside ethyl group, that means CH3 CH2. This is belongs to plus I group. What is the role of plus I group, student? This plus I group is always electron releasing group. So that's why here positive charge is slightly decreases, not disappear. Here positive charge slightly decreases, but in A compound this positive charge participating in the resonance due to the conjugation. Double then single then positive, that means conjugation. This positive charge double bonded, then single bond, then positive charge is there. This positive charge participating in the resonance. So that's why this positive charge is completely disappear. So that's why A compound is more stable than B compound. Stability of, find out this, out of these two, which one is more stable compound, student? Which of the following is more stable carbocation? So A compound is more stable carbocation than B compound. Why? Because of our concept is stability of carbocation. How to determine, student? Positive charge should be less on carbon. That compound is always more stable. This positive charge is there. This compound also having positive charge, and this compound also having positive charge. These both are positive charge. In A compound, positive charge participating in the resonance due to the conjugation. So here this A compound, in A compound positive charge is completely disappear. But in B compound positive charge is slightly decreases. So that's why our concept is positive charge should be less. That compound is always more stable. So here in A compound is positive charge is completely disappear. So that's why A compound is more stable than B compound. This is the simple trick, student. Stability of carbocation, student. This is the stability of carbocation, student. Now take the one more example, student. Now take the one more example of stability of carbocation. CH2 double bond, then CH single bond, then CH2 plus. This is A compound. Now take the B compound, is that is CH2 double bond, CH single bond, then CH double bond, then CH single bond, CH2. This is B compound. Now C compound is CH3 single bond, CH2, then CH2 plus is given. So out of these three, which one is more stable, student? Out of these three, which one is more stable, student? So here what I said, student, that is stability. What I said is stability. How to find out stability of carbocation order? Stability of carbocation order, I gave that simple trick, student. Our concept is positive charge. Positive charge should be less. Positive charge should be less on carbon. Positive charge should be less. Positive charge should be less on carbon. That compound is always more stable. That compound is always more stable. So here this is a simple trick, student. You remember simple trick, student. So here out of these three, which one is more stable? Out of these three, which compound having more stable? A compound and B compound. A compound having one positive charge is that it is also primary carbocation, and it is also primary carbocation, it is also primary carbocation. So all are having same primary carbocation. Out of these three, which compound having less positive charge? This double bond, then single bond. This positive charge participating in the resonance. This positive charge participating in the resonance. So that's why this positive charge is disappear. But in B compound, here also this positive charge is there. Here double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond. Here this positive charge participating in the resonance 2 times participating. You remember, student? Here positive charge participating only one time, resonance is participating only one time. But in B compound, here 2 double bonds are there. This positive charge participating in 2 times. Here also one time, and here also one time. 2 times participating. So here B compound is more stable than A compound. B compound is more stable than A compound. And what about this compound, student? This is belongs to plus I group. This is belongs to plus I group. What is the concept? This plus I group is first priority goes to resonating structure. Resonating structures are more stable than hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugates are more stable than plus I group, inductive effect. But this B C compound having plus I is there and hyperconjugations are there. Plus I is there, hyperconjugation is there, but A compound having resonating structure and mesomeric effect, and B compound also having mesomeric effect. Out of these two, A compound and B compound, here B compound having more number of double bonds are there, so that's why there is more number of resonating structure. And one more thing here, this positive charge participating the 2 times in the resonance, A compound having only 1 time participating in the resonance. So here B compound having less positive charge compound always more stable. You remember, student, less positive charge compound always more stable. This positive charge only participating only 1 time, this positive charge participating the 2 times, so that's why this is the more stable. More number of double bonds are there, that compound always more stable, student. You remember, student, this is more number of double bonded carbocation. This is the only one double, the conjugation is there, conjugation, this compound also having conjugation, this is also conjugation, double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond participating in the resonance. Here 2 times participating, here only 1 time participating, here normal electron releasing. So that's why now stability order, student, that is C compound is more stable than A compound. A compound is more stable than stability order, that is B compound. B compound is more stable than A compound. A compound is more stable than C compound. This is the stability order, student. So first priority stability order, we know that is the orders I gave student previous video. Stability order, that is first priority goes to resonating structures, second priority goes to hyperconjugation, third priority goes to inductive effect. So these A compound, B compound both are having resonating structure. So B compound having more number of resonating structure, so that's why that is the more stable. So B compound is more stable than A compound. A compound is more stable than C compound. This is the simple trick, student, stability of carbocation order. Now take the one more example, student, stability of carbocation order, that is CH2 phenyl carbocation, this is A compound, then CH2 double bond, then CH, then CH2 plus, this is B compound, then C compound is, that is CH3, CH2, then CH2 plus. Out of these 3, which one is more stable? What I said, student, that is this positive charge double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond, positive charge. This positive charge participating in the resonance, 3 times resonating, so that is plus M and resonating structure, mesomeric effect and resonating effect. And second one is mesomeric effect or resonating effect, and the third one is plus I and hyperconjugation. So now first priority goes to mesomeric effect or resonating effect. So here more number of resonating effect. Why? Because of this compound having conjugation is there. This positive charge participating in the resonance. Why? Because of conjugation is there. Conjugation means what I said, student, that is double bond, then single bond, then double bond, then single bond, then positive charge is there, that is always conjugation. So this positive charge participating in the resonance, so that's why in this A compound positive charge is completely disappear. But in B compound having only 1 time participating in the resonance, double, then single, then positive, this positive charge participating in the resonance. So here only 1 time participating, but here 3 times participating, that is, and C compound having only normal plus I and hyperconjugation. So here positive charge slightly decreases, and A compound is completely disappear, and B compound also disappear, but A compound is more stable. Why? Because of this positive charge participating the 3 times in the resonance. So that's why A compound is more stable than B compound. B compound is more stable than C compound. This is the stability order, student. You remember, student, stability depends on number of resonating structures. So this A compound having 4 resonating structures are possible. 1, 2, 3 and positive charge. Here 4 resonating structures are possible, and this double bond compound having only 2 resonating structures are possible. Here that stability depends on number of resonating structure. More number of resonating structure compound is always more stable. So here A compound is more stable than B compound, B compound is more stable than C compound. This is the stability order of carbocation order, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you.